Selling your home can feel like navigating a maze, but finding the right realtor is like having a trusted guide who knows every turn. First, experience matters. Look for realtors with a proven track record of success in your neighborhood. How many homes have they sold in the last year? And what was their average sale price compared to the listing price? Dig into their history. Next, assess their market knowledge. A great realtor understands current market trends, pricing strategies, and what buyers are looking for in your area. Ask them for a comparative market analysis, or CMA, to see how your home stacks up against similar properties. Communication is key. Choose someone who is responsive, attentive, and keeps you informed every step of the way. Do they actively listen to your needs and concerns? Do they return phone calls and emails promptly? Now, let's talk marketing. A proactive realtor will have a comprehensive marketing plan to showcase your home to the widest possible audience. This includes professional photos, virtual tour, online listings, and targeted social media campaigns. Finally, focus on results. Achieving the best possible sale price. Your realtor should be skilled at negotiation and dedicated to getting you the most money for your property. Don't be afraid to ask about their negotiation strategies and past successes. Selecting the right realtor can make all the difference in a successful and stress-free home selling experience. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Good luck.